In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Lovable project to GitHub, clone it locally using Cursor, and easily sync your changes back and forth. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage your coding projects effectively while leveraging the powerful features of both Lovable and GitHub. First, let's get started by connecting your Lovable project to GitHub. This is a crucial step that ensures your work can be tracked and collaborated on. Open your Lovable project. Once you're there, look around for the GitHub icon, which should be prominently displayed to make this connection process easier. Click on the icon to initiate the connection process. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection to your GitHub account. It's straightforward. Just follow the instructions on the screen to grant necessary permissions. After authorization, you need to connect your Lovable project to a GitHub repository. You can do this by either linking it to a new repository if you're starting fresh, or you can choose an existing repository if you have one already set up. This step is vital for the bidirectional sync we'll cover later. Now that your Lovable project is connected to GitHub, the next step is to clone this repository to your local machine using Cursor. Open Cursor, your interface for coding that pairs nicely with GitHub. You'll want to use the command palette, a handy feature that you can activate by pressing either Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or CMD+Shift+P on a Mac. Once you're in the command palette, search for git clone. After you select this option, you'll need to paste the URL of your GitHub repository into the prompt. Press enter, and then navigate to your local machine to choose a suitable destination for the project files. Select the repository, and now you have a local copy of your project ready for more detailed work. With your repository successfully cloned, you can now dive into working on your project. Use the array of features offered by Cursor, including AI-powered tools, to modify your code as needed. These tools can offer suggestions and optimizations to improve your workflow. As you make changes, it's important to keep your work saved and up to date. Commit your changes from within Cursor. This will push your local modifications back to GitHub. Thanks to the connection you set up earlier, these changes will automatically sync back to your Lovable project, creating a smooth and efficient workflow that's bi-directional. This means that you can confidently shift between local development on your machine and online collaboration through Lovable without missing a beat. By following these steps, you ensure an organized and robust coding environment that capitalizes on the strengths of both Lovable and GitHub. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're now equipped to take full control of your coding projects with greater ease and efficiency.